Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to discuss about case 2, investment in equity and debt securities. So PT Revi Mitra Polindo is investing in share securities and bond securities. So they're using their money to buy the securities, and you need to make a calculation and journals to record the transaction related to this securities in 2016. Okay, I already put calculation steps for you to write down in your answer. Okay, here I open one of your answer is Salsabila's answer. Okay, Salsabila's answer is already correct, but there is only little bit that I want to correct and add from this answer. Okay, let's review the answer. Okay, first we need to calculate the price of share purchase from PT Indocom. Okay, so PT Revi bought the shares from PT Indocom and PT Trio Semen. First we count the share purchase from PT Indocom. Okay, so the purchase price here, Salsabila already counted it correctly. So 800 common shares, and we counted with the nominal value is 10,000 rupiahs. The exchange rate is 90%. So the purchase price is 7,200,000. And then the price of shares, we just need to add the purchase price with the commission fee. The commission fee is 0.5% of the purchase price. So it's 7,236,000. Okay, so we do the same thing with PT Trio Semen. The purchase price is 2,500 common shares times the nominal value 2,500 and the exchange rate of 120%. And then you can add the purchase price with the commission fee, and the total is 7,537,500 rupiah. Okay, this is already correct. And then next we need to make calculation about the bond securities. Okay, we need to count the nominal value. So the nominal value is, we see the nominal here, 5 million. And then we count it with the present value. This is the formula for present value. This is already correct. Okay, we put the interest here, 13%, and then the period of years here, and is 5. Okay, the nominal value is 2 million. After that, we do the same thing with the bond interest. So we need to count the bond interest present value with this formula. This is already correct, so you just need to open your intermediate accounting book and you can see the formula to count the present value of bond interest there. Yes, the result is 2 million. Then after that, you need to calculate the bond value. The bond value is the total bond nominal cash value and bond interest cash value. This is already correct. And then you can add the commission fee. The commission fee is 0.5% from the bond value. So we add all this, the bond value and commission fee, and we have the result of 4,800,000 rupiahs. Okay, and then there are information that 1st April 2016, the cash received from interest on PT Pakuwon. Okay, but actually if we see the information here, we get the interest on every 31 October, 31st October. So we get the bond interest every 31st October. But here in the information on 1st April, the company received cash from interest, so it's okay, we follow the case here. So we calculate the bonds received on April 1st. How we count is, we see the purchase was on 1st March, so 1st March to 1st April is 1 month, right? One per one per the amount of year, 12. Okay, and then times the nominal of the bond is 5 million, and then the interest is 12%. So we found the interest of bond received in 1st April is 50,000. This is also correct. Okay, and then on 1st June there are sales of shares of PT Indocom with the exchange rate of 110%. Okay, so we already count the purchase price here, 7,200,000, right? The purchase price was 7,200,000. Okay, you can write it down here like Salsabilas. And then the sale price was 110% of exchange rate. So we just need to count it like this: 800 shares times the nominal is 10,000, and then times the exchange rate is 110%. Okay, so we found the sales price is 8,800,000 rupiah. So we can count the profit is 8,800,000 minus the purchase price 7,200,000. So we get profit 1,600,000. Okay, and the sales fee is 1% from the sales price, 88,000. Okay, now let's see the journal. Okay, the first one is correct. So short-term share investment, and then other expense was the commission fee, and then the credit is BCA Bank because the company used their money from BCA Bank to buy this share investment. Okay, the same for PT Trio Semen. So the company bought the shares with BCA Bank, and then they bought short-term share investment, and the other expense was the commission fee. Okay, and then for the purchasing of bonds. Okay, so for the purchasing of bond, there is also commission fee, but in bond journal you don't need to separate the commission fee to other expense, but you just put together with the long-term bond investment. Okay, so in shares we need to separate the commission fee to other expense, but not in bond investment. In bond investment you just need to add it in here. Okay, so the journal is just long-term bond investment, 4,800,000, and the credit is BCA Bank because they use BCA Bank to buy the long-term bond investment here. Okay, after that we need to record the cash received transaction from interest. Okay, we already count here. You already counted here. 50,000 rupiah. So BCA Bank and interest incomes, because the company received money 50,000 from interest income. So the credit is interest income. And then on June there is sales of the shares from PT Indocom. So the company sold their shares that they bought from PT Indocom. They sold this one. Okay, so we already count it also here. So first we need to record the short-term share investment in credit because we sell them. So we sold this one. The company sold this one, so we need to record the credit here. And then the debit is the company received money because of the sales of their investment for 8 million. Okay, yes, this is correct, 8,700,000. And this is the sales expense. 1% is 88,000, and then the profit is 1,600,000. Okay. Actually there is one more journal that you need to record, but I didn't put it here in the calculation step, but you can add it here. So you need to record the cash received from interest in October, because here in October 2006 the company received the bond interest. Here we can read it here. Bond interest at 12% per annum, payable every 31st October, right? So we need to record the bond interest in 31st October. So you can add it here. 31st October, BCA Bank and interest income. The debit is BCA Bank, the credit is interest income. So from April, 1st April to 31 October is 8 months, right? Okay, I already wrote it down here. So from 1st April to 31 October is 8 months. Okay, times the nominal is 5 million. Then times the percentage of interest is 12%. Okay, bond interest is 12% per annum. Okay, so you can record it 350,000. Okay, you can add the journal here at the bottom. Okay, thank you. Good job for this case because you already answered it correctly. If you have questions regarding this case, the answer, you can ask me through WhatsApp and I can help to explain to you. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.